Anyway, okay, I'm in my village house, cottage, as someone will say, but I'm going to weld my key 5 floor. This is the gas. Gas going through this core, to this hole. After that, through this core, here, the button. But was one problem. This solenoid don't work. Why, I don't know. And I removed it. It was here. You see? It was here. I removed the solenoid, and now I think there will be no problem with this. By the way, the ball joints. This is upper ball joint. Here, the hole. This is the hole for grease fitting. And lower ball joint. GM, I guess. Come, I'll show you how to grease upper ball joint now. See? Flowers everywhere. Everywhere you will look, you will see the flowers. I like the flowers. I don't know, woman. Yes? Oh, thank you! They are so beautiful! What is beautiful in this? I don't know. Smell? Phew. Not tasty. And after 3-4 days they become piece of junk, and you can throw it and spend money, about $10 for nothing. Much more interesting this one. Grass, also many grass. Grass is free. This one, oh, see? Tasty. Very good. Very good. Grass. It's me. Hello. Flowers. Okay. Here it is. To grease the upper ball joint, you must remove the shaft. Remove this bolt, install to its place, grease fitting, and lubricate. Lubricate upper ball joint, lower ball joint much more easily. Okay, this is my key 5 rusted. Thanks for looking.